Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best hair repair is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for anyone battling the persistent issues of dryness and damage, a common struggle in maintaining vibrant, healthy-looking locks that often feel brittle, frizzy, and lifeless due to environmental stressors, heat styling, or chemical treatments. This video dives deep into the world of hair care, specifically focusing on transformative products designed to breathe new life into your strands, promising to restore moisture, strengthen weakened fibers, and bring back that coveted shine and softness, ensuring your hair not only looks good but feels incredibly nourished and revitalized from root to tip. Number 5. Olaplex and Degree Point 3 Plus Complete Repair Treatment. Discover the revolutionary Olaplex and Degree Point 3 Plus, a breakthrough in hair care. It's designed to bring your hair back to life. In just 3 minutes before your shampoo, this treatment works wonders. It's a quick and effective way to revitalize your hair. It actively repairs damage, targeting the core issues that affect your hair's health. You'll see a noticeable difference. Experience hair that feels incredibly soft and is significantly stronger. It's the transformation your hair has been waiting for. Whether your hair is coily, curly, straight, or wavy, this treatment is for you. It's universally effective for all textures. This is your complete solution for damaged hair. Achieve salon-quality results right at home with this powerful formula. What we like. This is a rapid repair treatment designed for immediate results. It works in just 3 minutes to tackle hair damage. If you're short on time but need to quickly restore softness and strength, this is your go-to solution. What people say. This product is amazing for dry, damaged hair. It leaves my hair feeling soft and looking shiny. I love how this product smells. It's not too strong, but it's definitely noticeable. My hair also feels much healthier since I started using it. This is the best hair product I have ever used. It has made a huge difference in the health of my hair. It's no longer dry and brittle, and it has a beautiful shine. Number 4. Moroccanoil Treatment Hair Oil. Discover the transformative power of our signature hair oil. It's designed to nourish and revitalize your locks, leaving them incredibly soft and shiny. Infused with argan oil, this treatment works wonders on all hair types. It helps to detangle, reduce frizz, and improve manageability for a smooth finish. Experience a luminous shine that catches the light. This versatile oil enhances your hair's natural beauty and health with every use. Provide your hair with deep conditioning and essential nutrients. It penetrates the hair shaft to repair damage and protect against environmental stressors. Simplify your hair routine with this multitasking formula. It speeds up drying time and leaves your hair looking and feeling its absolute best. Embrace the luxurious feel and incredible benefits of this iconic hair treatment. It's the perfect addition to your daily hair care regimen for stunning results. What we like. Infused with nourishing argan oil, this product delivers incredible shine and tames frizz. It's perfect for achieving a smooth, polished look. If you desire glossy, manageable hair with a healthy sheen, this treatment oil is an excellent choice. What people say. This product is amazing for dry hair. It makes my hair feel so soft and manageable. I love how it smells and how it makes my hair look. Number 3. Olaplex and Degree Point 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. Introducing the Olaplex and Degree Point 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. It's designed to repair existing damage and protect your hair from future breakage. Say goodbye to frizz and hello to smoother, more manageable hair. This conditioner helps to tame flyaways and leave your locks looking sleek. Whether your hair is coily, curly, straight, or wavy, this formula is perfect for you. It provides essential strengthening benefits for every texture. Experience the power of bond maintenance. It works to rebuild and strengthen the bonds within your hair, making it more resilient. Discover the transformative effects of Olaplex. It's more than just a conditioner, it's a treatment that revitalizes and fortifies your hair from within. What we like. This conditioner actively repairs existing damage and helps prevent future breakage. It also works to significantly reduce frizz for a smoother finish. If you struggle with brittle hair and constant frizz, and want to build stronger strands, this is the conditioner for you. What people say. This product is a game changer for dry, damaged hair, leaving it incredibly soft and manageable. The formula is lightweight and doesn't weigh hair down, making it perfect for daily use. It effectively repairs split ends and reduces frizz, giving hair a healthy, shiny appearance. Number 2. Marc Anthony Leave-In Hair Conditioner Spray. Are you struggling with knots and tangles? Our leave-in conditioner spray is designed to make detangling a breeze. Say goodbye to frustrating knots and hello to smooth, manageable hair. Want longer, stronger hair? This formula helps promote hair growth while strengthening strands. It's the perfect solution for achieving your hair length goals. Experience intense hydration and deep conditioning with every spray. It replenishes moisture, leaving your hair feeling soft, supple, and revitalized. Enriched with biotin, this spray targets split ends and breakage. It works to repair and protect your hair, preventing further damage and promoting healthier growth. Tame frizz and achieve a smoother look. This detangler spray helps to control flyaways and create a sleek finish. Enjoy beautifully smooth hair all day long. Simply spray and comb through for effortless detangling. It works on wet or dry hair, making your styling routine quicker and easier. Get salon smooth results at home. What we like. This leave-in spray is formulated to detangle knots and provide deep moisture. It also contains ingredients to support hair growth and combat split ends. If you have long hair that gets easily tangled or are looking to improve hair length and health, this spray is ideal. What people say. This product is amazing for dry, damaged hair. It leaves my hair feeling soft and looking shiny. I love how this product smells. It's not too strong, but it's pleasant and lingers in my hair. This product has really helped to repair my split ends. My hair looks healthier and feels stronger. Number 1. Elizavecca CR 100 Collagen Hair Treatment. Discover the secret to incredibly soft and manageable hair. This powerful treatment is designed to transform your locks from dull to dazzling. Infused with collagen and protein, it deeply nourishes each strand. Experience a revitalized look and feel with every use. Say goodbye to breakage and hello to stronger, healthier hair. It works to repair damage and fortify your strands from root to tip. Achieve a brilliant shine that turns heads. This treatment enhances your hair's natural luster, making it look vibrant and full of life. Enjoy a luxurious spa experience in the comfort of your home. Just a few minutes is all it takes to achieve salon-quality results. Whether your hair is dry, damaged, or just needs a boost, this treatment is perfect for you. It's suitable for all hair types seeking improvement. What we like. This treatment is packed with collagen and protein to deeply nourish and restore hair. It works to replenish lost elasticity and improve overall hair health. If your hair feels weak, limp, and has lost its bounce, this protein treatment will help bring it back to life. What people say. This product is amazing for dry, damaged hair. It leaves my hair feeling soft and moisturized. I love how this product makes my hair look and feel. It's helped repair my split ends and reduce frizz. This is the best hair product I've ever used. It's lightweight and doesn't weigh my hair down. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.